Viewers, today I am going to show how to fix Android system UI is not responding problem solve. Okay, let's start. First open full setting. Scroll down. Click on App Management. Click on App List. Click on three dot line menu. Click on Show System and search System UI. Click on Storage and Page. Clear page and clear storage. Click on Full Stop. Click on